Welcome to the Songbird Garden Design channel. I'm Mary Beth. This is part 2 of selecting the right tree for your garden. We'll take it right from where we left off. This is the Magnolia Grandiflora, or the Southern Magnolia. This particular variety is known as Little Gem. It only grows about 20 feet high, but it grows very, very slow. This particular tree is about 5 years old, and you can see it's just barely 6.5 feet. It is evergreen. All of the Magnolia Grandifloras have these deep dark green leaves with an underleaf of a bronze color. They have these magnificent blooms in late spring through late summer. They can grow anywhere from 8 inches to a foot wide. As I said, this is a variety, Little Gem. But the parent tree, the Magnolia Grandiflora, can get as high as 60, 80 feet. And there are other varieties, such as the Majestic Beauty, which we'll show you a picture of. It has more of a pyramidal shape that grows maybe about 30, 40 feet high. So depending on the space in your garden, if you're looking for something evergreen that blossoms beautiful, this would be a good selection. The Magnolia Grandiflora, Southern Magnolia, and again, this particular variety, great patio tree, is called the Little Gem. This is one of my absolute favorite trees. It is the Cercis canadensis, or the Eastern Redbud. As the name suggests, it is from the eastern part of America. It grows about 20, 30 feet high and almost as wide. It is deciduous. In the spring, it is incredibly beautiful. It has these little pink, purple flowers that cover the entire tree on bare branches. Just a glorious sight. It also, as I said, is deciduous. And what makes this really special is the shape of the leaves. Look, they're almost the size of my palm, and they have a lovely heart shape. Just beautiful. Covers the whole tree. Usually comes in a multi-trunk. The cousin to this tree is the Cercis occidentalis, which is the Western Redbud. Now, the Western Redbud can grow about 15, 18 feet high and wide, but it's more of a shrub rather than a tree. Beautiful, native to this area. But this tree, the Eastern Redbud, I would suggest more for a lovely smaller area in the front of your home. It's just an outstanding tree. Again, one of my favorites, the Cercis canadensis Eastern Redbud. Then, oh, I just remembered. There's also the purple leaf version, the Forest Pansy. This tree is Catalpa tashkentensis. That's a mouthful, or the Catalpa tree. When there's an X before the name of a tree, that means that 2 genuses have been hybridized to create another tree. So this tree is a combination of the Catalpa tree and a Chalopsis linearis, which is called the desert willow. It's from the southwest. It can take the heat, it can take the cold. It makes a nice patio tree. It gets about 20, maybe 30 feet high, possibly as wide. It can be used as a patio tree, a backyard tree, filtered light. It does create lovely light pink, white, a little bit of purple and yellow flowers. We'll get a close-up of that. Very dainty like groups of flowers. It's used also quite a lot in parking lots because it needs such little maintenance. So if you're looking for something that's beautiful, that flowers, it is deciduous, that lets in filtered light, this is a good one. I'd recommend it. Catalpa tashkentensis, or the Catalpa tree. This lovely tree is the Acacia baliana purpurea, or the purple leaf acacia. It's an evergreen Australian tree that grows approximately 20 to 30 feet high and as wide. It allows filtered light to come through. This is a fairly new tree, but as it ages and grows, you can shape it so you'll take the bottom branches off to make that lovely weeping canopy. In winter, I'd say late winter to early spring, it creates pea-sized yellow pom-pom flowers that are scented, which adds a lovely accent to the tree as well. The color of the leaf is really what's outstanding. The new leaf growth is a light lavender color, and the older leaf growth and color is a bluish greenish gray with purple veins. So as you'll see in this close-up, it's just really a beautiful, outstanding color. So I recommend this, the Acacia Balliana purpurea. I would be remiss if I didn't include the Lagestromia, better known as the Crepe Myrtle, to my list of picks. The selection of hybrids available is outstanding. You could probably pick the color flower you have in mind. Crepe myrtles are reliable summer bloomers that last into fall. They're drought tolerant, forgive poor soil, have a lovely bark with maturity, and being deciduous, provide a colorful autumn leaf display. Depending on the variety, height and width range from 8 to 20 feet, so be sure you check the plant particulars before making a purchase. Lagestromia hybrids. Crepe myrtles, excellent choice. Well, that's it for part 2 of selecting the right tree for your garden. I hope you found this selection helpful. Gosh, there's so many trees I'd love to include. We just don't have the time. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And remember, if you do have children home nowadays, make sure your firearms are safely secured. Go to besmartforkids.org for further information. Take care and happy gardening.